Alright everyone, this is my first vlog ever, so we'll see how this goes. My name is Marissa Sergi. I'm the RedHead winemaker, and today's a very special day. It's our first wine dinner at Mountaineer Casino in West Virginia. We're going to be serving tons of delicious wine and food that the chefs at the LBV restaurant has prepared. So right now I'm sitting in my driveway headed to the winery, which is Luvabella, to pick up a few things before the dinner, and then I'll be picking up my grandparents who will be joining me, as well as wine and beverage merchants of West Virginia who are my distributors there. So I'm really excited to take you guys with me and show you what happens tonight at Mountaineer Casino. Okay, I'm gonna grab the wine that we need to grab for tonight, and I'm gonna do a live video for my RedHead enthusiasts. Let me see if I can set this camera up. Alright, we'll see how this goes. We're gonna do a live video on my RedHead Facebook, just to keep everyone updated with what's going on, and because I haven't been live in a few minutes. Okay, now I just made the post and I'm just gonna do my thing. I can't get the video to work, so I'm gonna probably just go live in a little bit. Yes, I'm vlogging the trip, so I'm recording the trip, so those who aren't able to come with us can see all the action. It's my grandma, Michelle, and my grandpa, Al. So we're gonna get in the car. Alrighty, you get the front seat. Alright.
Genie, and I got the keys.
Okay. As long as grandma is ready to go, I think ready to head to Mountaineer.